How is everybody doing? In the last few videos, I've been telling you that I have been losing weight, and I'm still losing weight, and I'm still walking, and I am still weaning off of my medication. I'm actually almost done weaning off of my medication. Pretty much finished with it, I think. And I have been taking my supplements. So I'm going to be talking to you about taking supplements for your anxiety and OCD. I'm going to tell you how they have helped me in the last maybe couple months that I've been taking them, and how I've been feeling and what it's been like to be off of the medication. So I'm going to just kind of give you some information just in case you are on medication and you really want to get off, or you want to supplement and maybe reduce your dosage, or maybe you just, are interested in supplements as a whole. Maybe you've never been on medication and you just want something to help with anxiety and OCD. So I'm going to tell you about all of the supplements I take, how much I take, when I take it, and then I'm going to also give you some information about any side effects that I might have experienced on the supplements. Please know that I am in no way saying that my supplements that I've been taking have cured my OCD or anxiety. They have not. You know that it's a lifelong struggle to keep well, stay well, maintain your health, but you can have a great quality of life, and you can have a very stable and good foundation for your body, perhaps by looking into some supplementation to help yourself. So, also, I want to say that in no way am I saying that you should stop your prescription medication. You should do whatever is right for you. This is a personal choice. My personal choice was to stop because the side effects were greatly outweighing the benefits for me when I was on prescription medication. So I decided for myself that I wanted to try supplements. And in my travels and in my experimentation with it, I have to say that I actually feel better taking the supplements than I did when I was taking the medication. So let me just tell you about how I found out what supplements to take. I actually was given the name of a man who specializes in supplements. His name is Brother Floyd, and he actually told me what supplements I should be taking. So his process is basically you contact him, tell him about your ailment, you fill out a questionnaire with all of your information about what you eat, your ailment, your daily routines, what you're drinking, medications you're taking, exercise, all of those things. And he will look at it and decide what supplements and how much you should take. So I actually did a session or consultation with him, and he put together a chart telling me what I should be doing as far as exercise, as far as food, and also as far as supplements. So the supplements that I am taking are because he put together the consultation showing what I should take. That's how I came up with what supplements to take. I'm going to include his information in the information section of the video. You can go check it out. And if you would like to contact him, you can do so to find out maybe if he can put something together for you. The first thing that I purchased, which is the thing that helps me the most, is Ashwagandha. Okay, that's the first supplement I'm going to tell you about. So Ashwagandha, not something that probably most people have heard of, I don't know, but it works wonders for me in helping me to calm some of my symptoms of OCD and anxiety. So I'm going to show you the brand that I buy. I don't know if you can see it, but it's called Toniq, Toniq. And don't worry if you cannot make it out. I'm going to put it in the information section so you can go there and find out. But this has helped me greatly. I take 2 a day, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. And I always take it with food because some people complain that it upsets their stomach. It hasn't happened to me. That has not been a side effect that I have ever experienced. But everyone is different again. So this will be trial and error for people who are trying to do supplements instead of their prescription medication. Remember that it's not going to always be the same for you, what I tell you that works for me. Then the other supplements that I take are typical supplements that you've heard of. They're all the B vitamins, all of them. I take B1, I take B2, and I take a B complex, okay? So the B1 and the B2 are both Solgar brand. Solgar brand is the vitamin that I choose because, the vitamin brand that I choose because I trust the research that I've done on it, on that brand, and all of the reviews. So, and it works for me. You know, you have to find whatever works for you. But this brand works for me. I take B1, 200 milligrams every day, and I take B2, 200 milligrams every day. And I usually take those in the evening after I eat dinner. So that's usually when I take most of my supplements. The next one I have is the B complex. B complex is B3, B6, B7, B9, and B12. I usually take this every single morning. It comes in dropper form. I take 1 full dropper in the morning on an empty stomach because that's what the directions said to do. So I take that every single day. And then the last thing that I take for my anxiety and OCD is magnesium citrate. I also take the Solgar brand in magnesium. I take 1 of these every day in the evening with all of my other supplements. And that's pretty much all of the supplements that I have been taking. I take a few other supplements for pain, like in my joints, because I have slight arthritis in my neck and some other issues in my body as far as pain. And those supplements have helped me a lot also. But I'm going to do a separate video about those supplements, just in case you're having any of the issues that I'm having. You can check that out, and maybe that will also help you. If you have any questions about any of the supplements, how much I take, when I take it, if you want to be reminded of any of that information, you can look in the information section of this video. Also, if you have comments, please leave them, or questions, I will answer. Subscribe, like, comment, come back. I'm going to do more videos. The next video I'm going to do is actually going to be just on ashwagandha and how to pick the right ashwagandha, what are the effects it has on you, the side effects, all of that. So if you're more interested in that, then you can look for that video. So take care of yourself and keep coming back, because again, this is a journey for all of us. I will see you next time.